Kieran, you want this? Here. Hey friends, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is a grocery haul. It is the monthly grocery haul collab that is hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6 and Jessica Myrose from the Jessica Myrose Channel. Both ladies' channels will be listed down below in the description box, and there will also be a link to the playlist. It is a big long playlist, so if you like watching grocery hauls, you can, once you're done with this video, you can go ahead and click on the link below, grab you some snacks, maybe some caffeine, because as I said, it's a long list. So let's get into my haul. I'm gonna start with the meats so I can get them out of the way. So I have a parcel of chicken breasts. Alright, so the camera gave out on me because it was overheating, so I have some chicken breasts, mixed parts, minced beef, turkey neck, franks, some veggie chunks, and 2 packs of the veggie balls. This big thing of butter. All of these are cold, so I cannot put them here by themselves. One more cold item is this box of June plum juice. And over here, I got vitamins for the kids. This is for the eldest, is almost an adult. This is for the 11-year-old. And then we have snacks. We have plantain chips. We have I think those are shortbread cookies. We have some Oreo generics, YOLO, a pack of Milo, some Dixie sandwich biscuits, and these are guava flavored. Some oatmeal raisin and cinnamon cookies, 2 cookies per pack, a pack of peppermint tea bags, some black beans, some red round beans, and some broad beans, 2 packs of broad beans. And then these are plantain tostones, but it's plantains, green plantains. So that's it for the little snack corner. And oh, this is another snack. This is for hubby because it says vegan friendly. Don't mind my cheap fingernail. Then I have water crackers, the cinnamon ones, 2 packets of saltfish, 2 breads. Let's move this one out of the way. Some sugar, 2 pounds of sugar, whole wheat flour, regular counter flour, some all-purpose seasoning, 2 cans of the Alaska Jack mackerel, 2 cans of this one is garlic and herb, the other one is tomato basil, some ketchup, and I have a can of condensed milk, sweetened coconut condensed milk, a can of evaporated coconut milk, and a can of coconut whipping cream. We have some tartar sauce. Then I have 2 cans of corned beef, 4 cans of tuna. It's 2 each, so it's 2 of the Thai chili sauce, and 2 of the smoked flavor, which is this blue one here. Then I have 3 small cans of baked beans, 3 small cans of mixed veg, 1 box of oat milk, 1 non-dairy creamer, a dozen eggs, 2 toothpaste, mouthwash.
Work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
Real quick, I'm gonna show you what's inside the refrigerator. This was just 1 week of some of the stuff that the produce that I purchased. I had mentioned in a previous haul that there is somebody that comes to the community selling produce on a Saturday, so that's where I got those. Now in the regular store haul, I got a value pack of the Gillette antiperspirant and also a pack of the shavers. I have a small bag of sugar because it's time for me to buy my 25-pound thing with sugar, flour, rice, and oil. Got some nutmeg, some creamy wheat, some crackers, the cream crackers, 3 of these, and then I have 3 of the water crackers, which later I found out that I had 2 of the regular ones and just 1 of the cinnamon ones. Also have this special dark cocoa, 3 packets of oats, some red peas, 1 can of coconut condensed milk, a jar of instant coffee. I've never tried this brand before. Some baby food. They had this one on buy one get one free, but they only had the 1 flavor, so I just bought this one. And then I think I should have bought more, but okay, because the dates are good. This is saying that it's expiring in August, so I could have bought more, but oh well. So next there's creamer, and behind the creamer I have 2 different types of cereal. Both of these were 50% off. Then we have some applesauce, the unsweetened one for the baby. Have some black tea, some mint tea as usual, 2 different types of barbecue sauce, the spicy honey and the sweet teriyaki. This is a hot pepper sauce that we like. The peppermint tea, I said that already, showed you that already, and some rice cakes for hubby. Some raisin peg bread. These are all the breads that I got. So we have a variety this week. So there's a raisin peg bread, a 12 pack, and then there's this honey cinnamon bread, raisin oats and cinnamon bread, not the honey. That one hubby likes. And then there's regular wheat bread for the rest of us, and then hot dog rolls and hamburger buns, and all of these are whole wheat as well. As long as I can find whole wheat, I'll buy it. And then down here in the sink I have frozen food, so I have this package of 15 burgers. These are beef. I have some chicken ones from my previous haul in the freezer, and a pack of frankfurters. This is a 24 pack, a little pack of cheese, and then some fries. We're gonna make burgers and fries right after we're done with this grocery haul. So that is it for my second grocery haul, and I'm gonna include another clip of some other vegetables and produce and stuff that I got from mommy. So I got ripe bananas, some mint, these are passion fruits and those are mangoes, a small pineapple, and then we got a ton load of lychee. And then for vegetables we got some squash, this is over there, and then we got some plantains, we got some limes, we got some jackfruit. This is not a vegetable for those who don't know, but I didn't remember it was down here. So we got some jackfruit, it's frozen, so that it's already cleaned and the seeds removed and all of that stuff, so it's ready to eat. So we got that, as well as the breadfruit that was beside it, and then we got some more tomatoes as well from mommy. If you made it so far, thanks so much for spending 10 minutes of your life with me, and go ahead and click on that playlist and watch the other ladies and see what they got in their grocery hauls. Bye bye.